Let's look at the product edit screen. In other videos, we show you how to add a product and to edit prices. This video will concentrate on the other options that you can set on a product screen. To edit a product, we need to go into the product list. Log on to Back Office, select the maintenance menu on the left, then select Product List. Here we have the product list. On the left we have the product groups, and on the right we have the products within those groups. To edit a product, we must first find the product to edit. We can either do this by looking through our groups, highlight the relevant group, and then find the product, or we could use the product search facility. Click on product search. With this, we can use the product name, product number, or barcode to find the product. Type in all or some of the product name, click OK, and we're presented with the list of products that match the search criteria. Once we've found the product that we wish to edit, we can either double-click the product, which will take us to the position in the product tree where that product resides, and it will highlight the product. From here, we can simply double-click on the product to edit it. Alternatively, when we're back in search and we have our search list, what we can do is simply highlight the product and directly select Edit Product to take us straight to the product edit screen. There was a lot of information presented on this screen, which we'll cover now. Firstly, we have the name. This is a 30-character description that is used at the till. There is also a full name, which is 60 characters. This gives us the ability to have much longer names in the reporting system in the back office. There is also the group that the product exists in, and this is where we can change the group for the product. There is an inactive flag. Within the system, products are never deleted, only made inactive. This is because, even though in the future we may not be selling a product anymore, we still wish to be able to report on it with all the detail available. Below this, there are a series of buttons. These buttons enable us to see more information about the product. The first button is Key Lists. This will show all the key lists that this product is in. From here, we can add this product to key lists and remove it from key lists. Typically, this is not the way you would do it. You would do it via the key maps, but this just gives us another way of achieving this result. The next button is Barcodes. You'll notice that on the button it lists how many barcodes there are currently for this product. Once we click on it, we can see the barcode that is allocated for the product. Each product in VPOS can have multiple barcodes. In fact, a barcode can be allocated to different sizes of a product. In here, we can add multiple barcodes, we can delete barcodes and edit existing barcodes. We can also create an automatic barcode which is generated from the product number. The next button is Condiments. You will see that this product has no condiments. We will skip to another product that has condiments. Here is a product called Veal Schnitzel. You will see it has 9 condiments. A condiment is an optional product that is sold with the base product at the till. Clicking on the condiment list, we see an example of these condiments. You will notice that this product has 2 pages of condiments. The first page is a list of sauces. Only one sauce can be sold with the product. Therefore, we have set a minimum quantity of 1 and a maximum quantity of 1. This means that you must select at least one of these sauces and no more than one of these sauces whenever you sell the veal schnitzel. The second page of condiments is a list of optional items that can be sold with the product: chips, potatoes, rice. This page also has a minimum quantity of 1 and a maximum quantity of 1, meaning that the operator must select one and only one of these options. We can change this by clicking the Edit mode. We can then change the max quantity to either 2 or 3, meaning that the operator can select up to 3 of these items and no less than 1. Alternatively, we could set both the maximum to be 0 and the minimum to be 0. This tells the system that there is a minimum of 0 and a maximum of an unlimited quantity, so the operator can either choose to enter these options or not enter any at all. The next option is ingredients. Once again, this product has no ingredients. Let's look at another product that has some ingredients. Here we have a product, steak 300 grams. It has 2 ingredients. Looking at the ingredients, we see that this product is made up of 1 item of fillet steak and 100 grams of mashed potato. This means that every time the steak 300 gram product is sold, it will deduct 1 item of fillet steak from the inventory and 100 grams of the mashed potato. We can also see the current cost of these ingredients and how they add up to the cost of the base product. Let's go back to another product that now has a supplier. We are now back at our Pepsi can product. You'll see that this product has 1 supplier. Each product can have multiple suppliers within the system. Here we not only show the supplier but also the supplier product code, and optionally an order quantity that supplier prefers. This supplier code is used within the stock ordering system when purchase orders are sent to the suppliers. We're now back at the main product screen. Down the left-hand side, you'll see there is a product number. Although BPOS doesn't require a product number in the system, it is useful when we communicate with other systems. Below the product number are 4 export codes. These are used when communicating with other systems, or you may use them as user-defined fields. The names of these fields can be set by you. Then there is product type and product sort. These are different categorizations of products within your system. There are up to 30 types and 30 sorts. These are very useful when doing summary reports of products. Store type gives us the ability to sell a product that is stocked in a different store. Typically, you would just use general for this. Max sale quantity imposes a limit of the maximum number of items that can be sold at the till at any one time. This is useful as a safeguard for expensive items. The cost tax lets us define the tax is imposed when we buy this product. This will automatically be filled with the taxes that are relevant to your region. Next, we have base size. You will notice that in this product orange juice, the base size is set to 4,000 mils, or 4 litres. This tells the system the size of the product that we are keeping as our stock keeping unit. This is also useful when we look at the sizes below. You can see each size has the number of mils defined in it. So therefore, when a product is sold as one of the sizes, it knows exactly how much to deduct off the base stock keeping unit. The default size is only used when connecting to other systems. Below this, we see the reordering information. You'll see for this product, orange juice 4 litres, we can receive it as a unit of 1. The last time we received it, it was $8, or we can order it as a case of 12, which would have a cost of $96. You'll see that these costs are extended down into the sizes area. For each size, it is showing the relevant cost. If I click on the Display Margins button, it will also show the margins based on these costs. Next, we have a series of 6 printers. These are remote printers that the product will print to automatically when sold at a till. This is useful for printing food orders in a kitchen or drink orders at a bar. These are predefined in the system, and each product can be set to print to 1 or more of these printers. Next is product mode and the product flags. These are detailed in another video in the series. Next, we see linked file. This is simply a link to a file on your computer. This is useful for specification documents. Next is screen media. This is used with customer displays. A till can have a display on the customer side. This display can show advertising or videos. It can also show photos of products. If you wish a particular photo to be displayed when this product is sold, place the name of the photo file in this field. Lastly, we have the recipe and comment fields. These are text fields that can be displayed and printed at the till. These are useful for showing the way the product might be prepared at the till. For cocktails, we can actually type in the method of making the cocktail for the bartender. For the comment, we can put comments about the product. These can be tasting notes or reviews of the product. That is the end of part 1 of the product edit screen.